Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the case study in the chapter planning. The first question, all the business firm would like to increase their sale and profit to be a successful. All manager dream of this. To turn their dream into reality, manager need to work hard in the thinking about the future, in making business predictions, achieving the target, and the above line describe one of the function of management. Identify and define this function. The planning function is best described in the above paragraph, and planning is deciding in advance what to do, how to do, and when to do, and who has to do it. Now, second question. Saurabh Jain set up the telecom business in Nasik, named as a Keaton, with the ambitious target of reaching out of 90% of the Indian population within 1 year. He chose this business on a belief that the demand for data service will increase 4 times within the next 2 to 3 years. To fulfill such an ambitious target, he had to either acquire an existing telecom business or collaborate or go independent aggressively in the light of the tough competition. He assessed the proposal of different companies and earning per share, tax liabilities, dividend paid, etc. Their future projection, knowing fully well that the projections many changes if the country's economic policy get modified. The above paragraph discuss some of the step of one functions of the management. By quoting the line from the above paragraph, explain this step in chronological order. The answer for this case study is the various steps in planning process described in above paragraph. The first, setting objective. The first step in planning process involving laying down the clear that respect to each other department or is measurable objective for organizations as a whole, and also respect each department with the unit of organization. The objectives should be infused down to each unit employee at all level. Next, developing planning premises. Planning cannot be done without anticipating future events. As a future uncertain, the manager are required to make certain ambitions about the future in terms of customer preference, competition, interest rate, state of economic, government policy, so on. The premises should develop set the limit with which the planning should be carried out. Next, identify alternate course of action. The next logical step the follow after setting objective developing premises is identify all the alternative course of action which are available for the considerations. The options so identify may be either in the routine, one employee or to participate many encouraged to generate the innovation outlook. And last, elaborating the alternative course of action. After listing the various possible alternatives, it is not important to analyze the relative and each alternative in light of their visibility and significance. This is very important step in planning to accurate analysis of various alternative imperative or for correct decision. Next case study, Saurabh decided to start the chocolate manufacturing business. He set up a target of earning 10% profit on sale in the first year. As a good businessman, he was conquered about the future of business, which was uncertain. He gathered information that demand for the chocolate is increasing day by day. He used the information as the base for the future planning and share it with his team. On the basis of gathered information, he scheduled a meeting in the following week to find out innovative way to achieving the objective and list the first two steps which have been followed by the Saurabh that are related to the process of one of the functions of management. The first two steps which have been followed by Saurabh in this case study that are related to the process of planning as a functions of management are described below. The first is setting objective. He first setting the objective, then developing premises. Thank you.